This AI video creator is a total game changer. Now, you can promote your products without needing a real model. You can show them holding any product, wearing your custom outfits, and even upload your own models, or choose from highly realistic AI-generated ones. And yes, they look so real it's hard to believe they're not actual people. Trust me, this opens up huge opportunities, especially for affiliate marketing with virtual influencers. Let's jump right in. The tool we're using today is called TopView AI, and here's what their platform looks like. Right from the top menu, you can create a complete product video just by pasting a product link. Below that, there are multiple features: AI marketing, video avatars, product avatars, and something called Product Any Shoot. This tool is extremely powerful, and I'll walk you through exactly how to use it. As you scroll through the site, you'll see tons of templates and hyper-realistic avatars that can serve as your virtual models. Let's begin with the product avatar feature. Suppose I want to promote a product as an affiliate. First, I download the image of that product and upload it to TopView AI. Then, I pick a suitable avatar that fits the vibe of the product. There's a big variety available. Once selected, I click Replace with my image, upload it, and the AI takes care of removing the background. Now, the avatar appears to be holding that exact product. You can tweak the positioning so it fits perfectly, and even refine the mask around the item if needed. After that, confirm the placement, and the AI will generate 3 different image styles. Pick whichever one looks best to you. If you're not happy with the results, just click Regenerate for new versions. I liked the first one, so I went with it, and now I'll convert it to a video avatar. Here's an example of what the avatar might say.
I'm a product avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use product avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
You can even upload your own custom script. Just click Use My Script and type in your content. For this test, I added a script related to skincare issues. You can choose from existing voice options or upload your own voice recording. There's even an option to clone your voice if needed. I used the built-in AI voice, selected one, and hit Generate. Here's how the output sounded.
If you are dealing with breakouts, dull skin, or just want that glow, this product changed everything. My skin feels soft, hydrated, and visibly clearer. It is light, full of good ingredients, and honestly feels magical.
Pretty amazing, right? No real models involved, just AI. Now let's explore the Product Any Shoot feature. Here, you can upload any product photo, for example, a t-shirt. The AI instantly detects the object. You can refine the selection, erase or restore parts, and choose how many versions you want. Let's say 4. You can pick from public templates or upload your own. For now, I'll use a public one. These templates cover everything, from tech gadgets and fashion to personal care products. Let's pick one showing a man in a t-shirt. Highlight the area with the brush, adjust the size if needed, and hit Generate. And just like that, you get 4 photo versions, each one clean and accurate, even if your brushwork was rough. Let's try something trickier. This time, I'll use a detailed image, an AI-generated one, actually. I'll upload a shirt and place it on a female avatar from the male model section. Again, paint the area and click Generate. The tool gave us 4 strong results once again, all very impressive. Now for a challenge, let's try shoes. I upload the image, choose a public template, and apply the brush tool. The results are shocking. The AI perfectly matches the shoes to the model. Minor issues like slight text distortion might happen, but overall it's incredibly accurate. Let's try a full outfit this time with product templates. There's also a creative mode, which is awesome. If you don't have any models or templates, you can just describe what you want. Here's a sample prompt. Show a smiling model in a flower garden during the day, wearing the dress. Make it look like a Zara-style fashion shoot. Click Generate, and the AI creates an entirely new model wearing that outfit. You didn't upload anything, just typed a sentence. Want another idea? Click the AI Design Prompt button. It auto-generates a prompt for you. Hit Generate again, and the AI creates a completely new model from scratch. You also get access to hundreds of pre-designed templates, everything from commercial setups to lifestyle themes. You can even upload your own. The accuracy and realism are next level. No other tool I've seen matches this. So that's a quick walkthrough to help you understand how this AI marketing platform works. You can use it to promote your own products, or combine it with affiliate marketing strategies. Check the link in the description if you want to try it out. That's all for today. See you in the next one.